Good morning, team. My 2-minute conviction today is as leaders, we want to always know where we are in our leadership development, in our journey and our growth. And one of the easiest and best ways to do this is to create a grid on a sheet of paper that on the vertical axis talks about your leadership competency. That is your skills, your ability to lead, and score yourself from 0 to 10. On the horizontal axis of this grid, we want to put leadership value or belief. That is, how much do you really believe in the importance of your leadership in achieving your goals and purpose? And you'll end up with a grid something like that. And on it, you will have a score 0 to 10 on both directions. And where those lines intersect, you will, of course, land in a quadrant. Now, if you land in the bottom left-hand quadrant, that is your low on belief, low on competency, you are in the realm of who cares. That is, you really don't give enough attention to this idea of leading with conviction. And maybe you're okay with that, but if for any reason you want more out of life and you're hungry to consider opportunities, then knowing that position, like on a GPS, your current position will help you plot a path on your next steps. If you are in the bottom right-hand quadrant, that means you're low on skills in leadership, but you are high on belief, then you are in the quadrant of potential energy. That is, you have so much to give, and all you really need to do is progressively improve your skills in leadership. And so that's a very tangible linear pathway because the belief is there. If you land in the top third or top left quadrant, then you are high on competency, but low on belief, low on value. Then you're in this quadrant we call lost opportunity. You are already a leader. You are having influence. There's impact in the world around you. The sad part is you don't recognize its value. And so there are missed opportunities all the time. And then, of course, the final quadrant, you're high on leadership competency, high on belief. You are an emerging talent. And if you're in that space, we want to encourage more of the same. Team, I would encourage you just to do a very simple plot of where you are today. Find what quadrant you're in, make some reflections on that, and then pick a path forward as you grow both your leadership competency and your leadership belief. Have a great week.